Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1. Chapter 3, Storage of Water. Try this. Make a small hillock of mud and stone in the schoolyard. Get some stones into the hillock. Pour water over the hillock from a watering can like rain. Use the following points to study how the water flows over the hillock. In which direction does the water flow? How does water flow on the steeper slopes? How does it flow on the gentler slopes? What happens when the stones cause an obstruction? Where do puddles form? When does the direction of flow change? Now stop watering the hillock. Make observations using the following points. Why did the hillock dry when we stopped pouring water? How long did the hillock take to dry? Which part of the hillock dried quickly? Which part took longer to dry? Why did it take longer to dry? You will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground. All the water we get comes from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. Long with us, all living things use this water all year round. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water. Water must be used economically. In this lesson, we will see different ways of storing water. Old water stores. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays, these old water stores are rarely used. However, their remains can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some of these stores never gets depleted. Number 1. Wells. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. People lived on the hill forts in the past. They also needed water. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stones. Number 3. Draw wells. Aad. In the past, draw wells were dug to get drinking water. They were small wells formed which water was drawn using a small pot, pora, tied to a rope. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every vada. The draw wells had water all year round. When the tap water system was introduced, the draw wells went out of use. Many were sealed. Now there are very few left in Atpadi. This can be seen in many villages. Rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across rivers to store their water. A bund on a river. Number 5. Old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stones and mortar. Old tanks, Howd. Earlier tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. Find out if your locality has such old water storage system. With this, I have ended my part 1. Remaining part we are going to learn in the next period. Thanks for watching.